I'm heading to the gynecologist this morning and I'm running late. So I got up in plenty of time, but I'm running late right now. Not good, not Gucci. And pardon my appearance, all of these red dots are just like scabs. They have no bump to them. Just makes me look extra gross. But anyway, running late. This place is so far away. Just gotta get going. All right, I'll see you guys at the gynecologist and we'll see what they have to say about the cyst on my ovary that exploded. Bye.
No, hey, get away from me. No.
Hello, so I'm back home and I didn't get the best news from my gynecologist appointment. I mean, it was okay. It was like good news, but not something I wanted to hear, I guess, you know? Anyway, oh, there's Miss Luna. Yes. Are you not scared anymore? Yes. Anyway. What? Are you hungry? Anybody else have a cat that hides all the time? That's me. I had pho over the weekend, so I'm gonna make the remainder of it that I have in my fridge. So I've just got the broth here. I'm gonna use my own rice noodles. Just gonna heat that up in my cute little pastel purple pot. It's so warm in my place. Like I said, and I'm sorry, like the audio is kind of garbage on the pocket. It's really not the best audio. But we will deal with it. So I'm gonna wait for that to heat up so I can put the noodles in. Oh, and also my brush set sold out, you guys. My rep from Sigma just messaged me and she was like, girl, your brush set sold out. She said I can bring it back and restock a couple if you guys want me to. So give this video a like. Let me know in the comment section below if I should bring my brush set back, because I want everybody else to get their hands on the Shweihninzy, oh my gosh, I can't even say my name right. The Shweihninzy Beautiful You brush set. You haven't gotten your hands on it. It's sold out already, but it can come back. They just have to make some more of the brush set. I can't believe it sold out. Like, I'm shocked. I didn't expect that at all. Anyway, can't believe it. So I've got some pho on the stove right now, like I said, just reheating the broth, and then I'll add my own noodles. So it's heating up. I want it to heat up quickly because my throat be a little funny right now. This is her favorite spot to hang out. I open up my balcony and I let her look outside, right? Right, Miss Luna? You love sitting there, yeah. Miss Chatty? This is her favorite spot to hang out. I open up my balcony and I let her look outside, right? Right, Miss Luna? You love sitting there, yeah. Miss Chatty? She loves hanging out there. That's what I'm up to right now. Just really stressed, like I said, with the results of my appointment and everything, and I just have to figure out kind of what to do, whether I go on more medication, things like that, which I still want to. Anyway, yeah.
I just opened up 1 week ago in Shibuya. I don't know what's different about it. It looks like they have some Shibuya exclusive Pokemon merch. But thanks so much for watching, guys.
Hello! So right now, and sorry if there is just not that great of volume or anything, I just made myself some more coffee and I need to organize my makeup drawer and my makeup area. It is a disaster. I really just want to like reorganize everything and do it in the best way possible so that I don't know, feel so cluttered, and so that I'm more, I don't know, motivated to film and just play with makeup. I had to take my sweatshirt off because it is actually boiling in here. It's boiling. I have like my screen door open. I've got my bedroom window open and everything. Ugh, it's boiling. The heat I can't control in my apartment, like the apartment building controls it. So if it's too hot, I have to open the window when it's like super cold, but it's actually really warm outside today, which is really odd. It's like December, and that's not normal for, I don't know, Ohio. It's kind of weird. I've been going through some of my makeup already and just kind of reorganizing everything, but I want to do it better and just kind of redo the entire layout of my drawers over here. I used to have a set of Alex drawers. They used to be right under my desk when I filmed at my parents' house, but I downsized and everything is in this huge unit now, which I want to keep, and possibly I can move stuff over to like my dresser that I don't use as often and things like that. I hope you guys don't mind, but I've been meaning to do this for a really long time. If you guys haven't seen my hair transformation video, I've been wanting to show you guys for a while. I've had my hair red for quite a long time, but I couldn't show it because I didn't reveal to you guys that I had my hair done, which was, I wanted to reveal it and things like that. So anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's just go ahead and dive in. So down here are my palettes and I have them organized in a certain way. So I think I'm just gonna work my way from the bottom up and I'm gonna see what I wanna keep, what I don't wanna keep, and things like that. So this bottom drawer, these are all palettes that I've already filmed with and that I've already used and I want to keep. So I'm going to keep these. These are all keep palettes, I think, as well. I have my Z palette here with my ColourPop and Anastasia shadow, so I'm gonna keep that. My boyfriend got me this Anastasia palette. This is the BH Cosmetics Hanging in Hawaii. I never use this, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Oh my gosh, I've got so many things. The Sigma Enchanted palette, I think this one is so pretty. I definitely need to use this more often, so I'll keep that. The Midnight Masquerade, I haven't played around with this too much, so I'll keep that as well. Oh my gosh, the Graveyard Swamp Queen palette. I never reach for this, but I love this highlight so much. I don't know what to do. And it's so old. I don't know if I should just throw it away. I just remember when she came out with this. This is like my first YouTube collaboration that I bought. I just thought it was, I don't know, really cool. So I need to play with that some more. This Carity palette I used one time and this is pretty neutral, so I'm not gonna use that. Ooh, the Lunar palette by Manny MUA. I was really excited about this, but it's kind of underwhelming to me and not that unique. Probably gonna get rid of that. Ooh, the Dream palette by Beauty Bird. This one is so pretty. I think this one's fun. I like that. Ooh, I remember when I got this in New York, I was so excited. I wonder if I can like depot this. I think I will. I'll depot it and put it in my palette. The Soph X Makeup Revolution palette. Oh, there's this one. I don't know if this is the first or the second one. I think this is the first one. It's not that unique to me, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this. This is her second one, which I think I like better. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the second one. Ooh, the Dose of Colors palette. I haven't used this. I think I've used it like one time. I'm gonna keep that. The Sweet Talk palette, I don't know. I don't think I filmed with this one. I can't remember. So I'll keep that. Okay, so my boyfriend and I, this was the first time he'd ever come like makeup shopping with me as a friend. So this has special like memories for me. the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This one is really unique. I don't really like Jaclyn Hill as a person that much. I don't know, but this is a really unique palette. I forgot I had this, so I definitely need to mess around with that more. The Kylie and Jordan palette. I love this palette. I think it's super unique, and I just really like this formula, even though they're not friends anymore. These are all my Anastasia palettes, so I'm definitely gonna keep these because I love them so much. I have them all in like this little thing here, so I'm keeping these for sure. And I need to put my other Anastasia palette in there. And I've got this tiny one with like little things. This is the Sigma Viper palette. Probably gonna get rid of that. These Sigma Warm Neutrals. This one's nice. Ooh, the Milani Most Loves. This one is a really good like drugstore keep kind of palette. This is the Bizarre palette. My dad got this for me, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. Oh, my cousin got this for me, the Chi Chi Spices. She got this in Australia, and she searched high and low to find this palette for me. So I'll keep that. The Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat. I never reach for this. I should take this. Reach for it some more. Oh my gosh, memories! This is the palette I use like almost every day when I lived in Germany. I got that there. And then these are my Wet n Wild palettes, which I love so much. So, oh, and then I've got like loose palettes, and then these for my C palette, which I'm gonna keep those. I don't know if I like having my palettes on the very bottom because I never reach them ever. And then these are all of the new palettes that I have. I know I filmed with my, this is the Controversy from Shane Dawson. I've filmed with those already. Some of these I haven't filmed with yet, so I'll keep these in this drawer. But this is like the new palettes that I haven't filmed with yet. So I don't know. I kind of want to keep these up higher so I can grab them more. I don't know what to do. Let's go into the next drawer. In this drawer, I have all of my face powders, bronzers, all that kind of stuff. And I just went through this, and I know I want to keep everything, but I might want to put these in like one of the shallow drawers. So I'll take these out. I have all of my like palette blushes and highlighters, contour, all that kind of stuff. So I know I'm keeping these. These are all my SuperStay powders. I have them literally in, these are all different shades. So I have them for everything that I need. And then I have 2 backups of the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. These are my highlights and blushes and bronzers. And then here I have an extra of my Glamoflage from CoverGirl, these 2 powders, which I don't think I'm gonna use anymore. I'm gonna get rid of those. I don't need those anymore. And I need to figure out what to do with this container. All right, I threw some of them away and I put the rest in here. I should have written names on the bottom, but I'm feeling lazy. No, but at least that is done, and then I can throw away this palette that is taking up mess. This drawer is super random. I have a bunch of just like random things in here. Like I've got some Stila glitter glue, some eyelashes, I've got medical grade Q-tips, setting spray, Sigma eyebrow products, and then more extra setting sprays. Up here is just a bunch of random things as well, so I'm gonna wanna take these out. So here's what everything looks like right now. 1000% better, but it's still a mess. I'm just making my dinner right now, not feeling too great. Just boiling some water here, and I'm gonna eat some leftover pasta, just making some fresh noodles. Top 2 drawers are things I need to review. This is like a junk drawer. We've got my face powders and everything there. We've got my foundations in here. My palettes. Oh, and these lights keep moving. More palettes that I need to review. Extra palettes, and then down there is lips and extra stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas. I'm sorry it wasn't the most eventful, but it was what I was up to today, and I'm not feeling too great, so that's Vlogmas number 2. I hope you guys are enjoying. I'm not feeling too great. I'm like so hot and sweaty. I hope I'm not getting a fever. Bye.